Hey everyone, I'm Christian and today I'm excited to show you one of my favorite features of the F1 Smart IoT module from SG Wireless, the Arduino headers built right into the kit. This starter kit is super compact but packed with connectivity options. Whether you're just getting started or working on something more advanced, it's designed to make your development process smooth and flexible. Check this out. These are the Arduino headers. They are placed exactly where you'd expect them, so you can plug in a huge variety of Arduino shields and modules without any hassle. What I love is how straightforward it is to expand the kit's capabilities. The headers follow the standard Arduino pin layout, so you can easily connect sensors, displays, or any other compatible shields and start experimenting right away. Hooking up a shield is as simple as lining up the pins and plugging it in. No complicated setup. Just snap it on and you're ready to go. It's that easy to add new features and make your project come alive. With these Arduino headers, the F1 starter kit really opens up a world of possibilities. For example, I've connected a 2.8-inch 240 by 320 TFT LCD display shield here. Using the radio interfaces, I can control the display remotely, perfect for IoT or smart device projects. Thanks for checking out the Arduino headers on the F1 starter kit with me. I hope this gives you some ideas and gets you excited to build your own projects. If you want to learn more or grab your own kit, just head over to our website or get in touch. Let's build something amazing together. Happy building!